We'll guide you through how to download and install Blender. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Blender is a really useful animating and modeling tool which we can go and get on our computer. So to go and get started, go and open up a web browser like so, and then what you need to do is go and search for Blender like so. Make sure you come to the official site, which is blender.org. Once you're here, you want to go to the top bar and go and tap on download. You can go and read some information about it, but I just want to go and get it, so I'll click there. And then at the top, we can go and see the most up-to-date version, which is 4.3.2. It may be different for you, so click download there. You can go and donate if you wish, and the download should start automatically. Now all you need to do is wait. When it's finished, go and open up the File Explorer, go over to the left and select Downloads, and there you should go and see Blender and you can go and double click on it like so. If you go and get a pop-up like this, you can click on More Info and you can click on Run anyway, as it is a safe app if it's from Blender itself. Now we can go through the setup wizard, we can press Next. Make sure you read and agree to this, I already have. We can press Next. I don't change any of this, but you can go and change the install location if you wish, and then press Next, and press Install and wait. When it's finished, you can go and click on Finish like so, and we've now got Blender on our desktop. We can double click on it and it will go and launch. We can save our preferences and we can go and get started.